In some countries, people are having children at a later age in life. What are the reasons? Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages?
Sample answer 1. Establishing a family through parenthood has been a topic of extensive debate, particularly in recent decades. In contemporary societies, many argue that delaying parenthood until later in life is a prudent choice. From my perspective, this trend appears widespread for several reasons, with its benefits outweighing the drawbacks. In the subsequent essay, I will elucidate this stance, with supporting explanations and practical illustrations. To begin with, it is widely acknowledged that the financial challenges faced by newlyweds make the immediate decision to have and raise children after marriage a precarious endeavor. This necessitates not only a stable marital relationship but also a certain level of financial security, including a steady income and affordable housing. Consequently, both spouses often need to pursue their professional aspirations to meet the expenses associated with essentials like housing and basic amenities. For instance, recent statistics in Iran revealed that 60% of couples cited inadequate working conditions and soaring real estate prices as the primary reasons for postponing parenthood. Consequently, in many underdeveloped countries, the dream of having children becomes unattainable. However, delaying childbirth also carries its drawbacks in marital life. Foremost among these is the potential for couples to experience a lack of structure in their daily routines. This absence of family obligations can lead to a sedentary lifestyle, depriving couples of the enriching experiences associated with family life, both financially and emotionally. Moreover, recent medical research indicates that pregnancy at an advanced age can pose physical and mental health risks. Studies in the UK, for instance, have demonstrated that 25% of women who conceive after the age of 35 are susceptible to serious conditions such as diabetes and hypertension. In conclusion, while the decision to have children is a significant joint endeavor requiring careful consideration of various factors, it is evident that postponing parenthood until achieving economic stability is a more judicious approach. This is particularly true considering advancements in technology, such as in vitro fertilization, IVF, which have made it possible for older women to conceive. Sample answer 2.
In recent years, a significant societal shift has been observed in various countries, the trend of individuals choosing to have children at a later age in life. This phenomenon has sparked widespread discussions, drawing attention to both its underlying reasons and its potential ramifications. While delayed parenthood presents certain advantages, it also carries its share of disadvantages. This essay aims to delve into the reasons behind this trend and evaluate whether its advantages outweigh its drawbacks. Firstly, it is imperative to explore the reasons why people are opting for parenthood later in life. One prominent factor is the pursuit of educational and career aspirations. In today's competitive world, individuals are often driven to establish themselves professionally and financially before starting a family. Pursuing higher education and climbing the career ladder require considerable time and dedication, often resulting in delayed parenthood as individuals prioritize their professional growth. Moreover, societal changes have contributed to the delay in parenthood. With advancements in healthcare and increased awareness of family planning methods, individuals have greater control over their reproductive choices. Additionally, evolving gender roles have empowered women to prioritize their careers and personal development before embracing motherhood. Consequently, many women choose to delay pregnancy to pursue their professional goals and ensure financial stability. Furthermore, changing societal norms and lifestyle preferences also play a significant role in the trend of delayed parenthood. In contemporary society, people are marrying later or opting for non-traditional family structures. Delayed marriage often translates into delayed parenthood, as individuals prefer to establish stable relationships and emotional maturity before embarking on the journey of parenthood. Additionally, modern lifestyles characterized by travel, leisure pursuits, and personal fulfillment encourage individuals to postpone the responsibilities associated with raising children. Despite the myriad of reasons supporting delayed parenthood, it is essential to acknowledge its potential disadvantages. One of the primary concerns is the decline in fertility with advancing age, particularly among women. As individuals age, fertility rates decrease, making it more challenging to conceive naturally and increasing the likelihood of fertility-related complications. Consequently, delayed parenthood may necessitate costly and invasive fertility treatments, adding emotional and financial strain to aspiring parents. Moreover, delaying parenthood may impact the dynamics of parent-child relationships. Older parents may face challenges in keeping up with the energy levels and demands of young children. Additionally, concerns about age-related health issues may weigh on older parents, affecting their ability to actively engage in parenting activities and provide long-term support to their children. However, despite these disadvantages, delayed parenthood offers several compelling advantages. Firstly, individuals who postpone parenthood often have greater emotional maturity, financial stability, and life experience, which can positively influence their parenting capabilities. They may have established stable careers and financial resources, enabling them to provide a secure and comfortable environment for their children. Furthermore, delayed parenthood allows individuals to prioritize personal and professional goals, leading to greater fulfillment and satisfaction in various aspects of life. Parents who have pursued their passions and interests before having children may approach parenting with a sense of fulfillment and readiness, fostering a more positive and enriching family environment. In conclusion, the trend of delayed parenthood is driven by a multitude of factors, including educational pursuits, career aspirations, changing societal norms, and lifestyle preferences. While delayed parenthood poses certain challenges, such as declining fertility rates and potential age-related parenting difficulties, its advantages cannot be overlooked. Ultimately, delayed parenthood enables individuals to cultivate personal and professional growth, leading to more fulfilling and enriching experiences both as parents and as individuals. Therefore, the advantages of delayed parenthood outweigh its disadvantages, offering aspiring parents the opportunity to build stable and fulfilling lives before embarking on the journey of parenthood.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.